Never make phone calls until you turn on this safety setting. Every day, millions of people answer phone calls without thinking twice. A number is going to appear, the phone rings, and they pick up. But what if I told you that one simple safety setting could help protect you from spam calls, scam calls, and potential fraud attempts before you even answer? The scary part is that many smartphones already include this protection. Most people just never turn it on. So in this video, I'll show you the setting, how it works, and why enabling it should be one of the first things you do on any Android or iPhone. So let's get started. Now, phone scams have become more sophisticated than ever. Years ago, scam calls were easy to spot with unknown numbers, obvious frauds, poor scripts. Today, it's quite different. Scammers can spoof local numbers, pretend to be banks, impersonate government agencies, pose as delivery companies, and claim there are issues with your accounts. So, to fix this, there's a setting you turn on that is included in every phone, and that is the caller ID and spam protection or similar call screening features depending on your device. Now, this feature helps identify known spam callers, reported scam numbers, telemarketing calls, suspicious incoming calls before you answer. So instead of just seeing a number, you may see warnings such as spam risk, suspected spam, business caller, possible scam. Now, what you're going to do is on your phone, you're going to open up the phone app and you're going to tap the three-dot menu where they're going to take you to the call settings. Go over there and look for caller and spam protection. You're simply going to turn this on. And on some devices, you may also see options to filter spam calls, block known spam callers, enable all of those available protection options. And once you do that, you're good to go. So caller ID and spam protection won't eliminate every scam call, but it gives you valuable information before you answer. Combined with good habits and a healthy level of skepticism, it can significantly reduce your chances of becoming a victim of phone fraud. So before your next unknown call comes in, check your settings, turn on caller ID and spam protection, and review your call security options, and give yourself an extra layer of protection that takes only a minute to enable. So that is pretty much about this video. I'll see you in the next one. Goodbye.